The engine management system on a Triumph Tiger 1200, like many other Triumphs, is adaptive and it learns about new and changing conditions. But you know, if you make a change to the bike yourself, maybe you put a new end can on, you can force that change of tune, and it's called the 12-minute tune. Here's how it's done. First off, the bike's got to be cold, so don't try this just after a ride. Let's unplug the Optimate. Now I need a well ventilated area, so I'll open up the warehouse door. Right, first things first, ignition on, don't touch the throttle. In your own time. Alright, I'm going to have to put this down to start her up. Clutch in. Did I say this? Don't touch the throttle. Now, leave that until the cooling fan comes on. You won't miss the fan coming on. You'll hear it, but you can see it in there anyway. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's going to take a little longer to get you tuned. Still waiting. 3 or 4 minutes later. Won't be long now. Not quite warm enough yet. A little bit further to go. Ah! Come on, come on, come on. You've got to be patient. Which I'm not. Don't be tempted to put some sort of exhaust around your exhaust leading out your garage or anything like that, because you'll affect the results. So you need to leave the exhaust open and free. Nearly there, nearly there. There she blows. I hear a fan. Yep. Fan's going 10 to the dozen, so start your 12-minute timer now. 1. Right, the fan only came on for about 5 or 10 seconds, but that's enough. It's up to temperature, so that may come on and off a few more times now. But I've started my 12-minute timer. Yeah, I shouldn't really put it in my RTFM series because it's not in the manual, but lots of Triumph riders know about this. So it's only for those of you out there that don't, because you won't find it in the manual. That fan's cut in about 10 or 12 times so far. Only another couple of minutes to go. That's it, my 12 minutes are up. I just switch it off and that's it. Job done. That's the 12-minute tune. Now if you're having a problem before, maybe vibration at a certain rev range, or you've changed the exhaust can and it's not quite feeling right, just do that, then go out for a spin. Look, I know my bike was okay. There's no harm in doing it anyway. Ta-ta. Right, dreaded alarm off. Don't touch the throttle. Start the bike. Once this thing's ready, you know, in your own time. Okay. It's quite fucking tiresome starting a Triumph, I have to say. Don't touch the throttle. Oh my god. Let's try this again. Now, why is this not starting? Oh, Fucking hell. Clutch. Triumph clutch.